I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota Corolla versus Camry. We'll explore their key differences in size, performance, and features to help you decide which sedan best fits your lifestyle and budget. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for making an informed purchase. Let's dive into the specifics of what each model offers, from their engines to their interior comforts. When it comes to performance, the Corolla offers efficient engines, with many models providing around 169 horsepower, perfect for daily commutes. The Camry steps up with more robust options, including a powerful V6 engine delivering 301 horsepower. Both offer impressive fuel economy, but the Camry's hybrid variants truly excel, often achieving over 50 miles per gallon. Inside, the Corolla provides a comfortable and practical cabin for five, featuring an 8-inch touchscreen as standard. The Camry, being a larger sedan, offers more spacious legroom and cargo capacity, making it a great choice for families. It often includes larger infotainment screens, premium sound systems, and a wider array of advanced driver assistance technologies for enhanced comfort and safety. Regarding value, the Corolla typically has a lower starting price, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. The Camry, with its larger size and more premium features, naturally comes with a higher price tag. However, both models are renowned for their exceptional resale value, a testament to Toyota's reliability. Consider your overall budget and long-term ownership costs when making your decision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.